Good day, this is weather. I'm in Kópavogur. Quite nice weather. Temperature is about 5 degrees and the wind is up to 4 meters per second. There's a lot of Christmas decoration, mostly in white.